What is the opposition raising in parliament? They are asking the government to at least initiate a debate and discussion on SIR or electoral reforms. Do you think it's drama? If the Prime Minister or the BJP leadership or the one sitting at the helm of affairs in the government thinks that by raising the right questions for the people or raising people's voices is drama, then let people of the country see and answer them in the next election. You have 40 people who have lost their life because of the way the SIR was hastily implemented without consulting with any of the stakeholders in the state government. The BLOs who were appointed by this very election commission has put the onus on EC and made them responsible for their deaths. Do you think it's drama? Ask the question to the BJP leadership. Let the Prime Minister of the country, let the BJP top brass, let the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, let the Law Minister, let the Chief Election Commissioner answer this question. 40 people have lost their life. Where is the accountability of the government? People have no problem in standing in queue and filling forms. But where is the accountability? Terrorists are coming from borders which are supposed to be protected by the union government. Where is the accountability? Blasts are happening in the national capital. Where is the accountability? 40 people have died because of unplanned SIR. Where is the accountability? They want to enjoy accountability without answering to the people. It's a deadly lethal combination. Opposition's duty and responsibility is to ensure that the government of the day operates and works remaining within the ambit of law and the legal framework. Government is not doing that. But let me make it very clear. Why is the government on the back foot even after winning elections and doesn't want to discuss on SIR or electoral reforms? What is stopping them? What is stopping the government? अगर 40 लोग की मौत हुआ है, इसमें अगर चर्चा चाह रहा है ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज, आपको लगता है ये ड्रामा है? पहलगाम पे अगर चर्चा चाह रहा है, ये ड्रामा है? दिल्ली ब्लास्ट पे अगर कोई चर्चा चाह रहा है, ये ड्रामा है? बंगाल के जितने भी फंड्स आप रोक के रखे हो, मनरेगा से लेके जल जीवन मिशन, आवास, रास्ता, 2 लाख करोड़ का ड्यू है गवर्नमेंट का। 2 लाख करोड़, 1,94,000 करोड़। ये फिगर नोट कर लीजिए। ये ड्रामा है? ये हक का पैसा है? किसी का मामा का पैसा है क्या? तो लोग डिस्कशन नहीं मांगेंगे तो कौन मांगेगा?